Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician instructor, out here on a home inspection. And one thing that everybody is trying to do when it's wintertime is they're trying to protect their dryer vent to keep animals from getting inside the dryer vent, because the animals are looking for a warm place to nest and stay warm when it's brutally cold like this. This customer has decided to use a screen. International Mechanical Code, NFPA, and most dryer manufacturers state that you cannot use a screen, a mesh, or anything that covers or blocks or inhibits the airflow from exiting the residence. So upon inspection, this is what I found. If you'll notice, they're using a screen to keep the animals out. However, the lint cannot come out. Now, this dryer vent is approximately less than 12 feet in length, but it's causing major problems with clothes drying and water buildup. So if we remove this, you'll see how it wants to blow out, but you can see a buildup. So we will pull this out with our hands, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn this camera around back to us, and then we're going to clean this dryer vent, and you can see it right here. Again, I don't expect this dryer vent to be more than 8 feet in length. So very short run, very good run. You can tell the airflow is increasing by how much everything is coming out into this. So we're about 4 feet in. I can hear the dryer very loud and very clear. And that right there is going to be back of the dryer. Like I said, I didn't expect this to be that long. Now this vent, being this short, should give many years of protection as long as the right vent cover is being used. But we don't have the right vent cover. We're using just a regular old screen. And that screen is what's causing so many issues. Now you can see the lint, hopefully you can see the lint is now blowing up into here. And that lint blowing is showing you that we've now reestablished airflow, which we did not have. Now this particular vent has an elbow that goes down, it feels like. So we are just going to continue to just make sure right there is taken care of. So now that we've got the vent cleaned out and taken care of, what we're going to do is we'll be able to show you how clean the vent is and all that good stuff. So as you can tell, if you'll remember before how clogged it was, and now you can see how clean it is and stuff of that nature. So this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. Again, we're a locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician, and I'm an instructor. If we can help you or be part of helping protect your home from a dryer vent fire, 317-430-3993. 317-430-3993. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I'll show you.